was supposed to go that way.
Starting to get lost, so I think I'm going to start heading back here in a second. 25-mile-an-hour turns, that looks fun. Another McMansion. Yeah, our fence cost more than my house did. Holy shit, what the fuck is that? Oh, that must be the apartment. Yeah, I live in a trailer, but I have a fucking 40-foot boat. Rand's Bend. Looks like a park. Doesn't look like they are open. But apparently there's a boat ramp, so let's check that shit out. The owner of the Marshall. No lead or fires, so let's see anybody in here. I don't have my state park pass on me anyway. Oh, yeah. Does anybody even know about this fucking park? Looks like nobody's been in here for a decade or more. Oh, there's a car park down there. I wonder what they're doing. Smells a little bit like weed. That's a good view. I think we're gonna go back to that one little spot I just saw. There's a boat out. I said that was a boat ramp. I'll get out there if I can't get back up. Yeah, boat ramp my ass. How about a fucking dry lake? Wow. That shows the drought right there. Crazy. Baby bottle, diapers. There's a view over there too, but I didn't bike out here. Toilet. What the fuck is it? Supermoto like bad. Cool. Right down here too. There's one of the giant rocks. Cool. Got a supermoto, I just keep on going right down there. Some big rocks. Put one tire. Thank you. Over here. What's over here? More rocks. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. I have no idea this purpose here, dude. Ooh, well, them are some rocks. I think we'll be going back that way. Get over that rock. No, keep going. Here we go. Tree dogs. Ooh. There you go, Bucky. Right through the grass. I'm very excited about that. I'm tired. Let's get the fuck out of here. Before somebody starts rolling up on a fucking canoe. Banjo. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be anybody out here. Besides this one dude over here smoking. Let's get him on camera. A little suspicious when you're the only motherfucker out here in this whole goddamn park. Alright, enough of the fun. Let's get the fuck out of here. So I wanted to talk a little bit about, you know, maybe doing a maintenance series. If there's anybody out there who would find some value in that. You can pretty much find just about anything on YouTube as far as that goes. People do maintenance videos all the time, but, you know, I thought, well, I have some subscribers here, they might want a little change of pace, so I was thinking about possibly doing some maintenance series. So post up some comments, let me know what you think. You know, it'd be some things like chain maintenance, changing the oil, you know, that kind of crap. You know, I remember watching it, I was even desperate enough to watch a guy wash his bike, for Christ's sake. Oh, no, it wasn't a guy, it was Ashfoot. Yeah, I watched Ashfoot wash her, you know, that's different reasons why I watched her wash her bike, but, you know, I watched her wash her bike, so if you guys would like to watch a little maintenance series, sooner or later, you know, God willing, sooner or later, it's going to get cold. I'm not talking about this cold, you know, like we've been having, where it's like 37 out, where I can still ride my bike to work. I need some cold. And when it gets cold, that's when I'll be doing some stuff in the garage and then maybe have a chance to do some maintenance series. And I don't know if you guys will find that interesting or not. turn. Better slow down. Oh, no, wasn't that bad. I hate it when cops are behind me. Alright guys, well thanks for going exploring with me. I know this wasn't a very talkative vlog, but you know, we got to explore a little bit together, so that was kind of cool. Let me know if you like this kind of thing, because man, there's all kinds of places to explore around here, and I'm always out fucking around, so I'm sure kind of come across some more stuff like this just to find a road and drive it till it's done. So you know, it's gonna start getting colder eventually. I keep saying that, but eventually it's gonna start getting colder, so my videos are gonna start trailing off. And you know, we're expecting to get our kids sometime in the beginning of January, so usually probably about that time, things are going to calm down a little bit more even. So, you know, now's the time. So if you guys are into it, I'm into it, let's do it. Let's make some videos. So, yeah, post a comment, let me know. In the meantime, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I've been watching this Minecraft series by Rendog, R-E-N-D-O-G. I don't know what it is, but man, it's something about, you know, South Africans, British, England people in general. Their accents are awesome. They could be telling you the dumbest story on earth, but somehow to me it's entertaining as shit just because of their accents and the way they talk. So I would highly recommend checking him out if you're into Minecraft, or I think he does even a Terraria series, which is essentially Minecraft Junior. Minecraft before Minecraft was around, so check it out. Yeah, post a comment, tell him I brought you by. I don't know if he knows who I am or not, but maybe, I don't know, maybe something. And so the other day I was out of at my bike getting it fired up and getting it running. It was actually at the beginning of that last video, but I cut it out. And my neighbor comes up into my yard and starts pulling weeds. Now, don't forget, in suburbia, it's pretty much the man's job to take care of the yard, essentially. And you know, it's kind of a pride thing where, you know, everybody's yards look good, everybody takes care of their stuff, everybody's mowing on Saturday, everybody's fertilizing water on Sunday, you know, it's like a routine, everybody takes care of their own, right? So my neighbor's wife comes over and she starts pulling weeds out of my yard. And I'm not talking about like weeds, I'm talking about like some, I think they're called dollar leaf weeds that just popped up because they start growing in the winter, and the grass stops growing in the winter, so they have a chance to poke up above the grass a little bit. So, you know, do I take offense? Do I tell her to get the hell out of my yard? I was just kind of clueless. I'm just like sitting there looking at her and wave at her. Hi. She pulls 3 or 4 more and she leaves. Like, so do you normally come into my yard and do shit like that, like when I'm at home, or does she know I'm home? It was weird, man. So I'm not like, you know, I'm an IT guy, right? So not only am I an IT guy, but I'm a computer nerd, so I don't have a whole lot of social skills. So I don't know if that's normal or if that's not normal. So I didn't know what to do. I just kind of waved and looked at her and just like, I'm going to not get mad, and I'm not going to get, you know, aggravated, and I'm not going to get, you know, get my ego bruised here, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that, what? I don't know. Dumb question. Well, you know, I promised that I was going to go over to Cow Creek Road, and I will eventually make it to Cow Creek Road. You know, not a big deal. It's nothing fancy. It's not even cool for that matter, but I don't know what it is. It's like, it's jinx. Something's telling me not to go over there, because every time I head out that way, I get sidetracked doing something else. So we're just going to let it play out, and eventually I'm going to make it over there. But up here to the right, I'm going to head back on 1431 and head back to the house and get something to eat. And go back to work. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in again. Please comment, subscribe. Hey, you know, and even hit me up with some video responses, you know. Even if it's just you kicking back in the lounge chair and, you know, using your webcam to answer some of the things that I'm talking about here. That's cool too, man, because I got nothing but time essentially at work. You know, whenever you're installing software, you're just watching that blue bar go across the screen, and you know, what are you going to be doing? So shit, I'll pull up YouTube and start watching some videos. So yeah, let me know. Post up some video responses, some comments, subscribe. Appreciate it, guys.